Monte Palatimone is an hill 595 meters high near to Trapani, Sicily. The sun has risen from an half hour, so the sky still has the colors of the night. This zone of Sicily is famous for the marble, which is extracted and sells all over the world. We will reach an abandoned quarry almost at the top of the hill. Snails used to live in humid environments, but we are in summer. So, to survive the high temperature, they go into hibernation. The little monte on the left is Monte Cofano. In a video on my channel, I visit the entrance to an old city on him. Take a look. This plant is called Onopordum. There are spines all over his body and in this period. Release his fruits that can fly around thanks to their pappus, feathery and light appendage. We finally arrived to the old quarry. Probably some workers had fun building this tiny refuge. It felt strange to watch such a big human made alteration on nature in the middle of nothing. Some cows decided to came here to end their life. Now I can build my medieval helmet.